All right, buddy, we're back with Hurley. So again, we're at the new place. I'm ready. I've got my nick on 100. We may possibly need to order him that stronger collar after what I saw yesterday, but you know, you've got to kind of get in your mind that he's not that interested in what you want. It's nothing he's consciously doing. It's just, you know, they are not bred to be, you know, trainable on the level of these labs and stuff. So you do have to use more compulsion. You know, and you just have to be ready to do that. Hurley, good boy, good boy, good boy, good. Because even with that, you see, he just goes right back away. Hurley, good, 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 good. On the upside, he's not that sensitive. Good, good. That was on 100 right there, so I will go down. What I usually say is now I'm going to go to half of what I had it on. Hurley, so you can warm up in a new place by doing this, but you know, I just don't want you to be discouraged because he's more interested in what he wants to do, and a lot of them are. I know I am. I'm more interested in what I want to do than anybody else. All right, so if we're gonna start with the healing and stuff, we want to be very specific. Hurley, good. Down. You can get him down and then start from here. Good. And then remember, down. Oh, something's stuck on his butt. You're not going to let him meet you halfway. Down. Only really for now want you giving him the treats for the down, not the healing, because you're not the only one. That Daniel, the intern, he did it too. It just, people don't do the treats right on that walking. Hurley, heel. So I went right to my nick, heel. Drive him in your direction. It's just an extension of the recall at that point. Heel. 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 Good. 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 Down. Anyway, buddy, what I was thinking of, if you guys want to take him home Saturday and work with them, and I really think maybe work with them for a couple weeks and maybe bring him back for some advanced work, because he can do a lot more than this, but I don't want to overtrain him for, you know, you guys' skill level at this point. I think if you could get a little more confident working with him, and then get them back and do some advanced stuff with them. Bye, you guys.